So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then you want to click on W on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find Windows Defender Firewall. You want to double click on it, and you want to make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the server status is running. So it should let you edit this to automatic, and then you want to click on start, which will then make it running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in system configuration. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to select normal startup, and then you want to click on OK. Then you want to click on exit without restart. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in netsh winsock reset. Click on enter. And now you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan has been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. Make sure that the scan has been completed.